Today I'll be showing you my most effective and what I consider most serious treatment or procedure that you can absolutely do at home. You don't need a sterile environment, you can do it at your own time, at home, no extra cost, no paying to a dermatologist or an esthetician, and it's with only 2 products that you most probably have already at home. I've been doing this treatment since late December of last year and I'm super happy with the results. I think they're almost as good as some in-office procedures. I think a lot of you already know that I don't do any in-office procedures. I don't do lasers. I've never done microneedling. I don't go to the spa to get facials. Now, I am not against any of these in-office procedures or microneedling or spa facials and etc. I just don't do anything that requires downtime or a sterile environment. I've always considered time to be my most valuable commodity, and since I've been kind of researching and experimenting with skincare and at-home devices for such a long time, I have found that I can accomplish results for my skin at home probably just as good as in office without the extra cost, without the need for downtime to wait around and heal. The most economical way for me has been to find good skincare, productive skincare, put it all in a system, in a skincare system, and use at-home devices for my skincare routine. The treatment that I'll show you today is painless. It requires no downtime, and it only takes anywhere between 8 to 12 minutes. If you want, you can extend it a little bit, but I've been doing it for 8 minutes twice a week. The treatment that I'll show you today has an immediate lifting effect, but also a long-term anti-aging effect. It will help with lines, wrinkles, increase and boost in hydration, increase and boost in collagen production, repairing of your skin, and over time, a sculpting of your face. I get a lot of questions on my jawline. This is the routine that will get you there the quickest. We'll only be using 2 products. It doesn't really matter if you do the treatment in the morning or at night. I usually do it at night just because I do it right before I put my skincare routine on. First, we're gonna need the Ziip device. This is the Ziip Halo 2.0. I've been talking about the Ziip device for a very long time, pretty much ever since I started this channel, because this device majorly contributed in my skin recovery and lifting of my skin. I don't have a lot of professionally taken photos from 10 years ago, but yes, when I was in my late 30s, early 40s, I had significantly more sagging of my skin, and I've been using this device for about 4.5 years now. But this is the one that took me to a new level. This is the one that pretty much lifted my face and gave me that jawline. So I will straight up call this device the anti-sagging, anti-lines and wrinkle device. For me, this is the use of this device. Now, this device on its own with the conductive gel, of course, is super successful. That's how I have been using it for the last few years. But the treatment that I'll show you today will take it to a new level. The Ziip Halo 2.0 was released in December of 2025, so a few months ago. It's been completely redesigned. Now, the physical appearance is exactly the same as the old one, except for it has this little flap here that covers the charging outlet, which is smart because you don't want any gel to get in here. The engine and the circuit board inside are completely different. The treatment globes are also different. They have been redesigned. They're a little bit more effective. And most importantly, the precision of the current has been improved by 63%. So in a way, I can confidently tell you that this device is 63% more effective than the old one. And from the first time that I started using this, I could tell. It operates the same microcurrent, but the current is much stronger and it's 63% more precise, which means that it will give you targeted delivery of the ATP. It has been proven via clinical study that it reduces lines and wrinkles by 28%. Skin tone is improved by 13%. And I can tell you, and I know that from you, from feedback from you and on myself, this will give you an immediate lift and sculpt of the face. I do also have to mention that the new device comes with 3 mini sizes conductive gels, which I love. And they happen to be my 3 favorite conductive gels. From what I've been reading about this device, the electrical circuit inside has been completely redesigned and engineered to be durable. Now, I have previously made a lot of videos on the Ziip device, the technology behind it, and exactly what it does. I will briefly tell you. The current goes into your skin and delivers ATP to your cells. It pretty much energizes your cells. It's kind of like a boost of energy to your cells because ATP is actually the energy output of your cells. And that charge lasts for 3 days. So technically you don't have to do the treatment every day. You can do it once every 3 days. And that would be a complete routine. That's how I started. In the beginning, I used to do it for the first 2 months. I used to do it every day. And then I kind of decreased for a few times a week. Now I'm only doing it once a week because I'm technically maintaining. And the treatment that I show you today takes this device to a whole new level because it adds a new layer of repair. So how am I doing that? I'm using the Calcium Professional Serum. This is what we're doing. I've been talking about the Calcium Professional Serum for ever since I started this channel. This is what I call my forever serum. I also lovingly call this product Love Potion number 9. Not only because it's pink, but it's because it's the largest concentration of growth factor in a tiny little bottle. And yes, this product does not have any competition on the market. Simply because it's highly concentrated, there's over 4 million of proteins and cytokines in this tiny little bottle. So it's supremely concentrated. This is why the bottle is small and you need very, very small amount. Usually, even when I'm doing a serious treatment, I only put 3-4 drops. That's enough for my whole face and neck. A little reminder, this is a growth factor, a pure growth factor. A growth factor is a protein that's derived from a stem cell located in the cord lining of a deer. I think Australian, not that it matters. And you have a high potency, high concentration of these proteins that are put in a tiny little bottle. And this is the real thing. This is directly derived from a stem cell, a live stem cell, of course, ethically, from the cord lining of a deer, which makes it the most potent growth factor on the market. Now, I know a lot of people use this with microneedling, and yes, that's perfect. So even if you apply it directly on the face, not the whole thing will probably penetrate, but some of it will because it's a high concentration. I've been thinking about this for a while. How do I encourage complete penetration of this whole concentrated product into my skin instead of partial penetration? And this is when microneedling comes into play, but I don't do microneedling. The blood, the downtime, and etc., the sterile environment just doesn't work for me. And I've been having a lot of conversations with a lot of scientists, and theoretically, we decided to try something new. I decided to try something new. So let me tell you exactly how I'm using this. First, I wash my face. Don't use any oil-based cleansers because you don't want to have any oils when you are using this device. Also, do not use any acid-based cleansers. Just use a regular cleanser. I am using here the Guerlain cleanser. Just a cleanser that you like using, but it doesn't have a special purpose. After I've completely cleansed my face, I drop about 4 drops of the calcium serum in the palm of my hand and I press it into my skin. Now, I usually like treating this area and my jowls and a little bit of the neck area. I don't usually do my forehead. You can if you want to, depending on which treatment option you choose. After I've pressed the product into my skin, I let it sit for about a minute or so because I want it to completely dry down. After which I apply the Ziip conductive gel. I usually pick the golden gel because the golden gel is actually the anti-aging gel. And obviously after that we will be using the Ziip device. Theoretically, because I have the growth factor applied on my skin and now we're applying current and we're doing the current treatment. So what the current is going to do is going to push the growth factor deep into the skin layers. And thus, we maximize the potency of both of these products. I am maximizing the potency of the calcium serum because I'm pushing it down with the current. So now we have not only the treatment by the Ziip device, which gives ATP boost to my cells, but I also have the repair of the calcium serum because growth factors encourage faster cell turnover. And when your cells are turning over a little bit faster, guess what happens? They replicate faster, and that's how you densify your skin. So as I mentioned, using these products individually, I've been doing that for about 4 years. Using them individually is very powerful, but when you combine them, now you maximize the potency of both of these, of the device and the calcium serum. And as you probably already know, the Ziip Halo comes with an app. When you're doing the treatment, you can choose one of the treatments that are on your app There's 17 different treatments that are installed on your app. You can choose any one of those. It's only 10 minutes and it's a complete treatment of your whole face. I will give you another tip though. Sometimes I don't connect it to my app. Sometimes I just turn on the button individually, and I do it usually 3 times. I am only using it for this part here. After I've turned on the device, what I do is I do 10 passes like this. And then I go up 10 passes, and then I do this motion 10 times here, which is more of a sculpting thing. And then I go on my neck all the way up 10 times, and then I repeat it on the other side. And I do this as many times until the timer runs out, and then I repeat it 3 times because each cycle is 3 minutes. And this is it. This is the treatment that I do at home, and I've already noticed results. Yes, this is a magnificent device. Even without the calcium serum, you will see a lift. You will see a decrease in lines and wrinkles. You will definitely see increase in hydration over time. The clinical data is there. It will definitely help you on its own. Just like the calcium serum, if you use it on its own, I've been using this product for 4 years. This is once again my forever serum. I use it almost every morning, unless I'm testing other products, but I like using this product in the morning. I just press 3-4 drops into my skin, and then I continue with everything else. So you can use this on its own without this as well, which I continue using as part of my skincare routine. But when you combine these 2 products and you do this procedure, it enhances the performance of both of these products because you are getting repair, and this is pushing the current, is pushing the product deep into the skin, and you are taking maximum advantage of all proteins that are in this tiny little bottle. This is it. This is my little trick, my little secret that I've been doing for the last few months, and I already see an improvement. I already see this working, so I wanted to share. Hopefully you can take advantage of that so you don't have to waste time in going to a dermatologist, going to a spa, wasting funds and time and downtime. You can do this in your living room, in your bedroom, in your bathroom, in the convenience of your own home without having to spend extra money or the extra time. I would love to hear from you when you try this procedure at home. Do it consistently once a week. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.